Okay, this video is going to show you how to make the shed, and I'll just tell you what I'm doing during the video. It's a bit fast, so hang on. So for the first half hour, I am doing each wall. I'm using the plan to get measurements, and then I'm making a mark. I cut one piece out, and then I use that piece as a stencil for the other studs, and that's why I did it so fast. I glue the studs to the bottom plate first, and then I glued them. Well, I put the top plate on all at once. You don't have to do it that way, but it was pretty fast. I'm marking the pattern of the stud pattern on the top and bottom plates so that I have something to glue to. I did that on both the long walls. I did it on the short walls as well, but it's more important on the long walls. And I am blowing on the hot glue to make it dry faster. Now, I didn't use the plan to get the studs below the header because the header width may be different than what the plan says, just based on what I cut out. I'm putting pieces of sheeting on every corner, and this helps the wall be more stable. Looks like I'm building my trusses. Now for this first one, after I glued together the truss, I traced the outline, and now with every other one, I'm lining up the truss, or lining up the truss with the first outline so that they are all the same. And this is me installing the second top plate for overlapping, connecting the walls. Now I'm marking 3/4 inches so that they are spaced to scale every 2 feet, but 3/4 inches. And then we're done. And I clean up. Well, this is just me cutting out the sheeting.